open the box.
Hi guys, it's Kim and I'm here with Jade and Maya. And we got a Grove Collaborative box. Literally, I ordered 2 days ago, so super fast this time. And I'm gonna just do an unboxing for you guys. Okay, what do we have in there first, Jade? Paper. More paper. Oh, I always open the box upside down. So the first thing we have is my favorite toilet bowl cleaner. It's the Method Anti-Vac, and it's only like $3.99, I think. I also got this 7th generation dishwashing detergent, and it works really well, and it's pretty inexpensive. The Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface in the mint. It smells so good. I smelled it at Target and had to throw it in my order here. Next is Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. I like to have matching counter spray and dish soap so it smells nice in the kitchen. And this is the Bubble Up. This is the dish brush set.
What is it?
I usually just use regular sponges, but they get kind of gross, so I'm hoping this is a better way to clean.
What is it?
The bristles are a little rougher than I expected, but it should be okay. And then there's this cute little dish that it sets on, and you put your soap in there and it makes it bubbly. So I'm excited to try that out. Last is this Castile Soap. This was sent to me free. They have like a couple times a year they have free items for being a VIP member. So the 7th generation dishwasher detergent and the Method Anti-Vac toilet cleaner were both cheaper on Target. So they do price matching with Grove, and this was my first time doing it. So all you have to do is put whatever you want in the cart, and then before checking out, you just email them, and then they'll automatically change the price right in your shopping cart. You don't have to like pay for it and then they refund you. They change it, and it only took maybe 20 minutes for them to change my order. That was kind of a cool perk. I was hoping it would be easy. And it was super easy. I saved like $2 between the two using that price match. So I have a referral code down below, and if you're looking into a Grove Collaborative, I would love for you to use my referral code. Bye guys.